Hi everyone, in this video I have been struggling a bit for a while, so you will see that I will be like trying to figure out how to insert some data with an image, but at the end we could do it with the help of Jesus Christ. I hope that you enjoyed this video much because I did it with love to you. Bye bye. Something that is kind of worrying, because we would like to have the image inserted. So for us to fix this, we will need to make on the index, we have to identify the image that is being sent and to send it. And the name of it is file upload. So let's see now. If I refresh, being honest, I don't know why the image is not being uploaded. Maybe it's because name input file upload. Okay. Yes. Let's go to here and look for the image. Image name. How to check image upload from HTML form in PHP. In PHP post received. Okay. We can use base 64, base 64, but I don't like that, being honest. I prefer just the name of the file. Okay, as you can see, the name is this, okay? Files. We will find it on files. So let's go here and go to upload and print our files. And let's see now if this is being shown. And yes, it's there, the image. So what I need to do now is just to move the image as they show here how to do it. What I have to do is just to create a folder that will save the image, okay? Let's see, ls cd admin area, ls, and in here I'm going to put clear ls, and here I'm going to put mcodr emj products emj, for example. After I create this, what I have to do is just to copy this, do you see? And I'm going to go here I'm going to say, okay, what I want is that the directory that is going to save the image will be called products img, and the image is going to be called upload file, just like it is called here. Curiously, I put the same name. I mean, let's see, file upload. Sorry, file upload. So let's change that everywhere it is. Control D to do it, and then Control V to paste. Okay. After that, we are ready to go. As crazy as it may appear. Let's see. We have just finished with the file. Now we need to add also the post. How we add the post? Well, actually, all of that should be added together. So we're gonna make an if here, and we're going to check if the send burger information is set, okay? If is set post, and we put this, and we go here down, we put this, and we remove here, and we go here. Okay, now let's go to target dir. As you can see, the target dir is repeated, but it is not kind of a problem because it's a in PHP you can repeat variables if you are going to add something, okay? And that is what I'm doing here because of the dot. This dot is specifying that I am adding to this direction, to this directory, I am adding this other directory here. It is like moving the image, okay? So after we move the image, what we want is that we want to insert the data. How we insert the data? Well, we're gonna make a query, SQL query. The query is going to be called, for example, in this case, it is to menu. SQL query to menu. But let's look for another query that I have created already. So for me to save time, select okay. Instead of a select, we're gonna make an insert, okay? We can even make the insert here just as an example. And we can copy the code from here. So let's make an insert of normal burger. Price 100 pesos. Total variable 1. Here the image of the product is going to be I don't know, flower.png, and description is going to be lorem ipsum, and the ingredients is going to be, for example, bread and chocolate with milk, please. And now we hit and continue. And as you can see, the row has been inserted. What I have to do is just to copy this code, which is the inserting code, and I am going to put it on here on the upload. And I am going to paste it here, but with double columns. Sorry, double I don't know the name of that. I know that this is semicolon or something like that. Well, I don't know. How can you say comillas in English? Questions mark. Okay, double questions mark. I was saying double columns in many videos. Oh my goodness. Okay, and the thing is that we have to put this, and in the values we're gonna put this is the interesting part. Okay, the values is what we bring forth the database. Okay, so we're gonna just change this to here, to this. For example, post, and let's change it to this, like this, okay? And in here we're gonna put the name of the file, of the container of that information. And in here we do the same thing, post, now you may be wondering, what is that error? The problem is that we are using that should not be a problem, being honest. Okay, for us to save this error, let's just create a name here as a variable, and price as a variable, and ingredients image location, and the last one is this one here, is the description, I think so. That's it. We're missing product in stock. Total available. Okay, ID item, name of the item, price, and after that, EMG of the product. Total available. So here we're gonna put something that is missing, total available, and please ignore if you're listening to something weird, you know, someone saying bad words. Image location. Let me see how much time we have with this video. We have 22 minutes. That's a lot, so we're gonna just cut it in some minutes, but I think that we can finish before 30 minutes. Image location, total available. I want to see if the total available is inside of the price, if after the price, and yes, and after the price and the total available is the image of the product. So I have to move this. The ingredients are actually at the end, okay? So let's put the ingredients at the end, and in here I'm going to put this, but before the ingredients we have the description, and let's create a description here. Description. Now all those things are going to be variables, or constant can be, that we're going to name here. Let's just copy this, like I don't know, a very numbers of time, 1 2 3 4 5, okay, and 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, perfect. Now what I want is just to, for example, each name that is here, I'm going to use over there. Name, price, total available, image location, description, sorry, ingredients, and now I am going to make the equal sign, and the cool part starts now. We want to say post, but the image location is just saved here. Post, if we don't finish before the 27, we're going to pause the video, okay? No, the 27, no, 28. Thank you. Post. And let's copy this. Item name, okay? Item name. Price. Ingredients. That is going to be here. Ingredients. Description. And that's it. That was everything. As simple as that. Now what I have to do is just to make the query to run, you know, the insertion of it. How I make the insertion? Well, you make, for example, you can look for it here, inserting data in PHP with MySQL, and you will see that it's super easy. It's just to put the connection query and also the con query here. So it's just to add this part that is down here. After we add this part, we just have to change the SQL to SQL query, okay? Because I usually put the name in purpose differently. So for me to be sure that I am doing it in the right way, okay? So let's look for something cool, and what I'm going to do is just to look for the connection that is needed. How I am going to do that? Well, I am going to make a require here. Require once, and I am going to look for example, includes restricted credentials, and in the credentials side should be the connection, and it's called con, exactly. And yes, that was everything. Now we can test what we have done just by going here, and we are going to put, for example, cheeseburger, just like this, all of that, and let's put, for example, I don't know, my image can be. We got hit on send, and it say has been uploaded. So it says that the image was uploaded. That is something very cool, being honest. And you can see that the image was actually uploaded. That is amazing. But we were missing something. And it says that there is an unknown column. And the column that is unknown is insert to. Let's see. Let's see what is the column that is unknown. Apparently the image moving is working. That is very well good. But we are missing something, and is that apparently one of the things that we're uploading are missing. So let's see it just slowly. Name, okay? We got the name. Price. We got the price. Total available. Total available. Image location. And it says here image product. But it doesn't matter actually. Description. Okay. Description. Ingredients. Ingredients. The problem might be actually that we are using these double columns here. To menu, and also is not needed here. So let's change that here. Being honest, this is something that changes very often. So if you get this kind of errors, you don't have to get like how can I say, like frustrated, because that is super common. Okay. And the insertion of data is one of the most difficult things as a developer when you are an advanced developer, because you get desperate. Not because it's difficult, it's because you get desperate, because you say, but I have done this many times. At least, but that's what I say, you know. Okay, here says that we have an undefined key on line 14. Let's see, what is the line 14? Total available. Oh yes. Oh, interesting. That should be the name. Actually, I think that the name of that is exactly total available. But we can look for it here on the index. Total available. It is called product in stock. So here we're gonna put product in stock. And now it should work correctly. Let's erase the one that was added, because now we have added one product. If believing or no, we have just done it. So let's erase it and let's add it again. Let's add it from scratch for you to see. Let me see how much time I have. 32 minutes, I can't believe it. I will make a part of this video like speed up, you know, with like accelerated, just for you to be able to see a 30 minutes video. Let's put a price, for example, 80 and the ingredients is going to be cheese, bread, and I don't know, salads. Description: nice burger made with love, with true love. Now we're going to put to total available 5. And let's look for a good image of a cheeseburger. Being honest, I did this before. I don't know if you remember. But this time I am doing it in a way that I have included everything without like the needing of repeating it. I mean, the last time I did it just to test, but now this is the last time just to add the image. Hamburger, cheeseburger. I should have put McDonald's cheeseburger. So let's put it, okay? Let's go here to downloads, and here we're going to change the name of this to McDonald's, because that is from them, and we should not thief, that's not good. We're gonna go hit on send, and that was everything. We have added a new file, a new burger. We have added a new record in the database, everything. But what we miss is the redirection to go back to the area of the administration. And as well, when we are adding the hamburger here, I would like to add a button here that says go back. So see you in the next time, and I hope that God bless you much. Bye bye. And remember, Jesus Christ loved us.